Okay guys, I'll do this vlog about unboxing of the item. I actually found this one in advertisement, and it's really interesting, so I bought this one and it's 78% off. So I bought this one. Actually, this is a hair dryer since we cannot go to the salon due to this pandemic. So let's see if this one is function well according to the advertisement. So this one is just like less than 1,000, just cost 999 pesos. So let's start unboxing. So I have here a scissor, and this is pretty well boxed, and they said it's fragile there. So let's see if inside it's still okay, intact, and no damage of this product. So guys, let's start to unbox this item. Let's see if this one is still intact inside. I'm excited to see. This is actually cost like 3,000, he said, but in the promo price it's just like 99 pesos. So it's really interesting what's inside. Ta-da! So it's well packed with this plastic choo-choo, and then surprise, one step hair dryer installer, smooth, freeze free blowouts in half the time. So let's check. OMG, it's the one, huge one, isn't it? Pretty interesting. Have here high, middle, low, and off. I have to do this here. So you need just to twist it like that. So that's what it is. So let's see if this is really works. So this is made in China actually. So let's see if I have the good outcome of this product. Okay, so that's all I have. That's what I have in the package. I have actually my old one, which is this one. I bought this one long time ago. One, and with this. So due to the pandemic, it's brought me this hair dryer. So I have a lot now. Amazing, isn't it? Okay. Alright, let's see soon if this one is really nice to use. Ta-da! So guys, I've done my shower, and that hair dryer, I want to try if my hair is going to be quick dry and going to be straight. So let's just get on with it and check it out. So I have this one now. Now it's off, and I turn it to, it's really hard because I'm using my other hand to to take a video, so I will try this one. Okay, I'll get back later. So I put it into low, but I feel it's already warm, so let's see. I just brush my hair to an ordinary comb so that it's going to be easy and not tangled. So let's check if this one is quick to dry, and I'll compare this one to my old hair dryer, and let's see if my hair is going to be straight and nice. Okay. So after 10 minutes, this is the result. It's not really the one that I expected. No, it's sort of kinky. It's not like the one that they said in the advertise. I think I prepared my other one, hair dryer. So it's just a waste of money, this one. And it's not really produce heat. It's just enough. It's still cold. And I don't know. For now, it's not okay. Look, the result of the other one of my hair dryer with brush. This one, it's far better than that one. So I prepared this one, I guess. Okay, so I stick to this one. Maybe I still use that one. Since I have it, I can return it because I've using it already. So yeah, that's all. So this is my old one, and I think I prefer this one. It's very handy. And the button of this is just like press. The other one is you have to roll it. Like this one, you have to roll it like that. So it's not really handy. But anyway, done it. I don't believe now in the advertise. So I retouched it with my old hair dryer, and it's very better now. Okay, this is better. Okay, thank you for watching.